Hi, my name is Shelby Gottschall, and I am a recent Austin Coding Academy graduate. I've been in the event planning industry for about 10 years now, but began pursuing a change. I started dabbling in HTML and CSS when the COVID-19 pandemic was on the horizon, and shortly after decided to enroll in ACA. I've really enjoyed learning how to code, and now 1 year later, I am so excited to be able to share my very first full stack application. So my application is focused on organizing your weekly grocery list. I personally found myself making grocery lists all the time by just writing down the items that would pop into my head at that moment when I thought of them. However, once I got to the store, I had to scan my full list to make sure I didn't miss anything in that section before moving on to the next section in the store. So with this app that I built, I can now organize the items by category, so I hopefully never need to double back again. So as you can see here, this is the screen that is presented once a user is logged in. All of the items are easily sorted by their appropriate category, and it's really easy to add new items as you're thinking about them and making sure they're in the proper category to keep them organized. So once you add items here, you can also increase the quantity as needed or decrease. You can delete those items if you no longer need them, and you can check them off as you're shopping. So those are all the features I have so far, but I plan to continuously improve upon this project. There's a lot of ideas I'd really love to add. One of those being the user having the ability to edit or add categories as needed, so they could customize that a little bit more. I'd also love to implement an option to create multiple lists so that you could have not only a grocery list, but maybe a hardware store list as well. And I also would love to create a recipe collection feature so that you can store all your common go-to recipes that you make weekly, bi-weekly, and be able to bring those items into your main shopping list directly from there. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this with friends, family, whoever else wants to use it. And personally, I'm very much looking forward to using this myself, so that I can feel confident I didn't miss anything on my shopping list since everything is nice and organized. Thank you so much for your time.